Thank you for joining. Thank you for investing in your time and in yourself. So let's quickly go through the setups. We don't want to take too much of your time. Where is it? 30 minutes gold. Okay, good. So I'm sure by now we can chorus those three questions that we like to see or we like to ask. First question, what did price do overnight? So let's look at this together. So what did price do overnight? We saw price. So it started from somewhere there. It's just gone up. Well, we had a small pullback here. It's gone up again, pullback. So price is trending upwards, in other words, right? So what do we do? Well, we can enter a buy right here, put our stop loss below there. So, okay, let's ask the three questions first. So what did price do overnight? So price is trending upwards. We can see that it's trending upwards. Where is price now? So price is right here. Okay. Next question is, what must I see price do before I take a trade? So we can see that the last high was right here. This is the last high. And if you ask yourself, what pushed price to these highs here is from somewhere, let's say around here, actually, right? So these two, the distance between them is not too much. So we can say anywhere from this zone, if price does come below this zone, then that will be a break of structure to the downside, right? That will be a break of structure to the downside. Okay. But as it is now, since we are trending upwards, there might be some sort of resistance here. So you can do two things, two options that you have or that we have is to enter right now and then put your first TP right here, and then you can put another one somewhere up there, right? Or wait for it to come all the way down. Then you enter a position and then look for this level here, this high here as your first target. Remember, if price is moving up, right? If it's trending upwards, it pulls back. Once it's then going up, we expect it to at least hit this first, this previous high first, then go up, and then come back down, and then go up, right? That's the kind of thing we expect when price is moving up, right? So right now, I'm not in any trade, so I'm not entering right now. I want to see what is going to happen here. Alternatively, another thing you can do is to wait for price to break above, right? And then on that pullback, you enter to then go long. But I'll actually prefer it to pull back a bit more, right? Let it pull back a bit more. Okay, so yeah, we're bullish on gold. Let's see, what's the other pair? Euro, pound, JPY. Okay, pound JPY. Let me just mark the previous high. So what did price do overnight? Price is what is this? Well, we can say this is a break of structure right here, right? And then it's come back down, it's come up, and right now it's up here. So where is our line in the sand? What caused price to move up to this level, right? We'll say is this move here. I'll prefer this one. This one is this first one here is too short for me. I'll prefer this one actually. Just my own preference. If you like to take this one, yeah, that's fine. But that would be my break of structure right there. So this is break of structure on this candle here. Break of structure to the top side. And you have another break of structure down here. So once price closes, so my line in the sand is right here for a down move. But right now we're looking sort of bullish. But mind you, we have some sort of levels up here. If you look to the side, we have some levels here. So what we would like to see, wow, okay, this is a tight one, right? So we want to see price come in here, break it, and then go up to this level, at least. That would be a nice one. However, if that does not play out and it comes back down, comes down to this level here, then we can see that, we can say that price is, once price then comes back and closes below here, then we can look for alternative setups to go short. Okay. Very nice and simple. All we're looking for is for price to either move up or to go down. Or the worst one that I don't really like is when it's just going sideways, not giving us any setups. I like to see some momentum. Okay, so let's just see what price will do on that one. On Euro JPY, what has price done overnight? Okay, from these lows, it broke structure to the top, pulled back, and then it's gone back up. So right now, price is here. Okay, so price is kind of, it's almost like range. In fact, I'll just call it a range, even though I have a bit of structure there. But overall, I mean, so look at this. Look at this one here. This is a nice, confident, clear directional move, right? This one is the beginnings of something, but we don't know what exactly he wants to do. So we'll just click this, mark these highs here, and then mark those lows there. Mark, in fact, this whole zone here, just mark this zone here, right? So what do we want to see? Well, we would like price to continue going up since it's been trending upwards. We would like it to continue going up and then, continue going up like that. However, we can wait to see if, because this is a nice bearish candle, wait to see if it will break these lows. If it does break these lows, then we'll look for opportunities to go short. But right now, there's nothing to do. I won't really take a trade now. If I must take a trade, then instead of risking my full, if for instance, I'm risking 1% per trade, then I could just do 0.5 right here or 0.25, just take a small risk and see if price would actually move up and then continue going up. If it then closes up very nicely, bullish up, then I can add to it, to that trade. But for now, because I'm undecided really on what this whole thing is doing, what it wants to achieve. It's been stalling. See, it's been stalling since yesterday and today as well. It's not giving us clear directional move like it gave us yesterday. Very nice, clear directional move. Right now, it's just somewhere in between. Okay. So when you're not sure and you really, really want to take a trade, just reduce your risk. Take a smaller risk so that even if it stops you out, you're still okay. Okay. Let's look at pound Aussie next here. What is this one doing? This one too, nothing much. Just going up or coming down. So price is just ranging. So let's just mark the highs and lows of this one. So this is the low. And this is the high. Okay. So what do we want to see? We'll actually prefer for price to go up, come back down, break these lows, and then continue going down. That'll be a nice one. However, if it does not want to do that and it goes all the way up, then we want to see it continue going up, right? Okay, so there's nothing much really to do here. What is this one? This is Euro USD. Oh, very nice. Okay, so Euro USD is showing some signs of bullishness. So what did price do overnight? Break of structure right there. A nice pullback. If we're at your charts, let's say at 7 p.m., about an hour ago, right? So this will have been a nice pullback for you to enter in this trade. You'll have hit your first TP right there, right? But we're here now. So this is where price is now. So what must I see price do for me to take an action? So I would like this one to actually close properly above that highs. So above this last high. Let it close properly, which looks like it's doing well. We have 21 more minutes, so let it close properly above it, right? So once it closes above it, then we can look for opportunities to then just take it on and go back up with it. However, let me see, where is the last, my line in the sand? So what caused price to move up here? Where is the last opposite candle? Is right here. So I can say from this zone here, if price does come back down and break below here, then we know that it's coming to at least this zone here first. It's come to this zone, then maybe go further down. Okay, so just watch. This is what we expect price to do, right? Will price do any other thing? Yes, price can do any other thing. The risk we always take is that price can decide to just go sideways, or it can decide to move just a little bit, right? And then give us a change of direction immediately. So price can do whatever it wants to do. We just have to play along and just work with it and see how price is moving. In fact, we have a very good example on oh yes, on this one. So before we look at the analysis of this one, look at this. This actually moved a bit. So Yesterday we had a break of structure right here. So we sent possible potential signal to go further down. I was actually expecting it to go all the way down, but look at this. Came down and it's been giving you signs that it doesn't want to go further down, right? It's just been going back and forth, a lot of sideways movement. Once it's doing all of this, you can decide that, okay, I entered here. I'm just going to close my trade right here, okay? Or once it starts moving back up, just close my trade, right? So price can do whatever it wants to do. So let's look at what the price do overnight. So right here, price went up, came down, did a nice break of structure there. Nice move, right? So price is right here now. Next question, what must we see price do for us before we can take an action? So we would like it to break above and then it to go up, or we will wait for it. So if you ask yourself, where is your line in the sand? It's right here. This is the last opposite candle here. Okay. So what must I see price? So if I see price come down, right? If I'm going to take an opposite candle, not an opposite candle, an opposite direction now, what must I see price do before I execute the trade? I want to see that price break below these lows. So that will be a break of structure, a nice pullback, and then we go for these lows and then possibly even go lower. Okay, very nice and simple. Right, for USD JPY, right, let's see what is price doing here. So this is just a big range to me, a big range, just going up and down. We're just going up and down, nothing much. So for this range, what must we see price do? Break below and then go further down, possibly come to these lows, possibly. Okay, so let's stretch it a bit, possibly come to these lows, or we want to see it break above. So you have to wait for it to break above, right? Then pull back and then go up. That's the conservative way, right? That's the conservative way to take these trades. We don't want to preempt what price is going to do. However, there are ways we can, if we see some sort of bullishness. So for instance, if I see a nice push down, but then that candle now closes like a nice what's it called, kangaroo tail, right? That will tell me that price will probably like to go back up, right? So just watch what price is doing and then you take action according to the trade plan. Okay, according to the trade plan. It's always according to your plan, right? So let price come to you. What is this? Euro Aussie? Nothing much here. Just, well, break of structure, a nice pullback. So we have price went up, came down here, broke structure. So it's just doing something, and we don't know what it's going to do here. What would we like it to do? Let it break this structure here, and then we can go further down with it. Or let's see if it's going to break structure here to give us a market structure shift. Right, break this structure, pull back, and then we continue upwards. Right. Let's see, what is there again? Oh, USD card. Okay, this one is just for nothing much here, really. Just a lot of sideways movement, just a lot of sideways movements. Okay. So gold, yes, so gold is still there. Yes, so I wanted to just show us that thing that price likes to do. So look at this. Price broke structure here overnight. Then all through, we were just going up and down, up and down, up and down, right? But look at what it did. In here, it gave us a nice kangaroo tail here. It gave us a nice bullish engulfing candle. Those are signs that price wants to change direction. So price will always give you clue on what it wants to do. So just wait for it. Let it give you that clue. Look at this again. Very nice bullish engulfing candle, right? And then you could have entered right there to then see how far it's going to go. Okay, so price will always give us a clue. So if you do not see the clue that you're looking for, do not enter a trade. Just wait for it. Let it give you that setup, and then we're good to go. Right, do we have any questions? Okay, beautiful. So if there are no questions, we'll see us back at the New York session. If you're able to join us, thank you very much.